Candid Chips and Bytes for Grade 5.
Chapter 1. Computer Architecture. A computer is an electronic device which stores and manipulates data at a high speed and with great accuracy. Computer architecture means an overall design of a computer and how its parts work together. The main components of a computer are input devices, processor, that is CPU, output devices, and storage devices. Input unit. Data and information need to be given into the computer through an input unit. This unit will send the data we give to the system unit. We give data or information in higher level language through the input unit, and it will change this language to a language which the computer can understand. The language which the computer can understand is in the form of binary codes, that is, bits and bytes. The devices used to feed data or information are called input devices. System unit. Most parts of the computer are found in a box called system unit. It has the disk drives, central processing unit, that is CPU, and the main memory. System unit operates the other parts of the computer and performs all the calculations. All the input-output devices are attached to the system unit. This is how it looks from inside. We have RAM, ROM chips, microprocessor, internal cache, external cache, motherboard or system board, empty expansion slot, monitor, sound card, modem, input-output ports, power plug, fan, power supply, and storage devices. Storage unit. A storage device is a hardware device designed to store information.